Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show a really simple way how we can add countdown timer to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just write in the search widget countdown. And you're gonna see right here countdown. So take it and paste it. Right when you got it, you're gonna see like, okay, first this type. You can choose between due date or evergreen timer. So it's counting down. You can go like, okay, hours, we won't have hours, we have only minutes. And let's say that we are going to have 15 minutes. And you can have it inline or broke. And so if you don't have hours and days, you don't actually need to have days and hours showed. So we would have only minutes and seconds showed. Now, you can also like show the label if you want to. And action after expire, you can have custom label. But it's really up to you. I would leave it like it is. Then you're gonna like style here. You can change the container width of how it looks like. Change the background color to something else so it match all your whole site. Border type, you can have it. You can make your countdown timer a little bit rounded so it's more better looking. And then just change the space between, right? If you want to. And then you're gonna select the padding here that you can change. And then you get like content here. You can change the color of digits or also the font here. It's up to you what you choose. And then you can also like the label and change that. So that's pretty much it. Then you got also the margin and padding. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. So that's it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support in it. And also you can like not hide it on mobile if you want to. And yeah, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.